Respect about your foreign policy is that you've never been under illusions. You've always based your foreign policy on a pragmatic and realistic worldview. You've showed the rest of the world that strategic caution and safeguarding autonomy means a lot, all the while championing multilateralism and global cooperation. And I believe personally that we should all become a little bit more Indian. It's an honor for me to open the Raisina dialogues today together with you, Mr. Prime Minister. It's amazing to see the growth of Raisina. Only in 10 years it's become one of the key set pieces where everyone in the world is listening and watching what is happening at Raisina, not least right now when the world is so turbulent. The world is changing. We are living through a transition in the global order, and India, together with its friends in the global south, will determine the direction in which this order will go. And that is one of the key issues it's been so fruitful to discuss and understand